Hello friends. So friends, today we are talking about a error which is your device is not compatible with this version. If you are trying to download USAA mobile application and you got the error like this, so what is this problem and what is the solution of this problem? So this error is often come in so many ways, like your version is too old, and the app may need a certain level of performance that your device can't be provided, and the app might require a minimum amount of RAM, for example 6 GB RAM, to run smoothly, and your device has less. Okay, and sometimes developers restrict an app to certain screen size or resolutions to ensure a good user experience. If your screen is too small or has an unusual resolutions, you might see this error. Okay, if your device is several year olds and no longer receives OS updates, and the issue is usually permanent, meaning the new app simply would not work on that hardware. Okay, it means you should need to replace your device with the latest features. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.